Going to weigh in on this. My boy is 12, 5'6", been riding for just a few months now. I got him an older CRF 100 that he kills it on. Also got him a 22 125. And you go on to say in the second part of the message that he kills it on the CRF 100. He loves it, and you think it's helped him develop skills that helped him out a lot more than just hopping on the Rocket 125. And I absolutely agree. I think it's really sad to see how many kids have been pushed away from riding, have hesitated about riding because they get thrown right on these Rocket race bikes. Can't tell you how many parents I've seen, kids never rode before, and they go out and get them a KX65 or a YZ85. And those bikes are a steep learning curve. They really are. And, some kids are tenacious and they'll take right to it and they'll crash it a few times. They'll figure it all out and they'll be fine. Some kids are not like that. Some kids need those stepping stones, or they'll just go do something else instead. If it makes them feel uncomfortable, they'll go play video games or whatever. And it's so sad because I'm telling you, I think almost everyone in the world would love to ride dirt bikes if they got to start on a CRF 100 or something that was a little small for them. They could flat foot it comfortably, and it feels pretty mild. So many more people would be riding these race bikes. Everybody wants a race bike, and it's definitely not been good for motorcycling as a whole, I can tell you.